In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted list in Trello. If you've ever accidentally deleted a list and panicked, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the steps to restore that vital information so you can get back on track with minimal fuss. First up, you'll want to head over to Trello's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in trello.com in the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, your next action is to log into your account. You'll find the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. When you hit the login page, Trello offers several options to sign in. For today's purposes, click on the option that says Google. This allows for a quick and secure login if you've linked your Trello account to your Google profile. You'll then see a prompt to select your Google account. Choose the account that is associated with your Trello account by clicking on it. Once you're logged into Trello, the next step is to open the board where the list was deleted. Having logged in, you'll see all your boards displayed on your Trello home screen. Navigate through them and click open the board you need. Now that you're on the correct board, the next thing you need to do is access the board menu. Look for three dots, usually found in the top right corner of your board's interface. These three dots signify additional options, so give them a click to expand the menu. At this point, it's important to understand that if your list was permanently deleted, unfortunately there's no direct recovery available from Trello's end unless you have a backup service in place. However, if your list was just archived, you're in luck. You can retrieve it in just a few more steps. In the board menu, look for the section labeled Archived Items. Click this option and you'll be presented with the items that have been archived rather than permanently removed. Once you find your way into the Archived Items section, you will notice a button that says Switch to Lists. Clicking on this will show you all the lists that have been archived on your board. Now thumb through the archived list to find the one you're looking to recover. Once located, you'll see a Restore option. Clicking Restore will bring that list back to its original place on your board. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully recovered a deleted list in Trello. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're back to managing your projects efficiently. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.